How to use Interaction Accessibility Settings in Windows 11. Speech Accessibility Settings. From your home screen, search for and open the Settings menu. On the left-hand side of the Settings window, select Accessibility. Scroll to the Interaction section of the Accessibility window and click Speech to open the speech settings. Voice typing allows you to dictate text anytime you have selected a text box. This can be turned on at any time by pressing the Windows logo key and the letter H together, or by clicking on the mic button on the keyboard. To turn on speech recognition, click the Windows Speech Recognition toggle button to turn it on. You can also press the Windows logo key, Control key, and the S key together to toggle it on and off. A Setup Speech Recognition window appears when turning the setting on for the first time. Follow the on-screen instructions to allow Windows to recognize and respond to your voice. Keyboard Accessibility Settings. Back in the Interaction section of the Accessibility menu, click on the Keyboard option to open the Keyboard Accessibility Settings. Turning the Sticky Keys option on allows for multiple key shortcuts to be inputted one key at a time, such as Ctrl-Alt-Delete. Click the Sticky Keys tile to open additional Sticky Keys options. The keyboard shortcut for Sticky Keys option allows you to press the Shift key 5 times to turn Sticky Keys on or off. The Show Sticky Keys icon on the taskbar option will display a symbol on the taskbar when Sticky Keys is turned on. The Lock Shortcut Keys when pressed twice in a row option will not allow a shortcut to be pressed again after being pressed in succession. Shortcut keys include Control, Shift, Alt, and the Windows logo key. The Turn Off Sticky Keys when 2 keys are pressed at the same time option will automatically turn Sticky Keys off if 2 keys are pressed simultaneously. The Play a Sound when shortcut keys are pressed and released option will play a sound whenever a shortcut key is pressed. In the Keyboard Accessibility window, turn the Filter Keys toggle to On to enable filter keys, which sets the sensitivity of the keyboard to ignore repeated or brief keystrokes. Click the Filter Keys tile to open additional filter keys options, like adjusting the sensitivity and sound. In the Keyboard Accessibility window, turn the Toggle Keys option to On to enable a sound to play when the Caps Lock, Num, or Scroll Lock keys are pressed. The On-Screen Keyboard option displays an on-screen keyboard when enabled. This can also be enabled and disabled by pressing the Windows logo key, Control, and O together. The Underline Access Keys option underlines access keys even when you are not holding the Alt key. The Use the Print Screen button to open screen snipping option allows you to use the Print Screen button to open the snipping tool and copy part of the screen. Mouse Accessibility Settings. Back in the Interaction section of the Accessibility menu, click the Mouse option to open the Mouse Accessibility Settings. Turning the Mouse Keys option to On will allow you to use your numeric keypad to move your mouse pointer. Once enabled, additional mouse keys settings are available. You can change the speed and acceleration of mouse keys there. Eye Control Accessibility Settings. Back in the Interaction section of the Accessibility menu, click the Eye Control option to open the Eye Control Accessibility Settings. Note: an eye tracker is required to enable and use the Eye Control Accessibility option. Connect your eye tracker to the computer and toggle the Eye Control option to On to enable eye tracking. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up and calibrate your eye tracker. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.